Oro muthenya ngucanio ya mawe ikoretwo ikioya mwerekera mweru kuria riu County Commissioner wa Narok George Natembeya ahete mukana ari othe makuruhanitio na mihango ya kwenderia muingi migunda thiini wa mutito uyu. Murugamo wa Natembeya ukoretwo ari kuhitana na andu aria matabanithia mihango ya gwaturanga migunda minene na makenderia muingi kuria koretwo akiuga riniro ikinya ria mbere ria gutwithania ndugamano iria koretwo ikiyumiria.
There are people who sat down somewhere and decided that we are going to engage in this scheme. So you look at the government records, the acreage is 105. On the ground, it has ballooned by more than 500 hectares.
Natembeya nianeriria ati arugamiriri 15 wa migunda minene, mathorofe atatu na aruti a wira atatu thiini wa wabici ya migunda kaunti-ini ya Narok ni amwe aria marahitanwo nao ni thirikari niguo makorwo magitariria uria mendeirie muingi migunda eno iria riu makoretwo makirwo ni makirite mihaka.
These are the people who issued title deeds with full knowledge that this land had ballooned into government land. And the following people are also required to report to the CCIO tomorrow by noon, as I've said.
Idoneri warugamiria migunda Nkosamin, Karoni, Enkishomi na Sayan ni mathitwo mekinye wabici-ini uthuthuria ni DCI thiini wa kaunti ya Narok niguo makorwo makiugwa mahuri kwaga uguo mukana uruto wa kumaikia ngono.
All of them should have surrendered to the police so that they can give us information on what really transpired. The game is basically up. We are not playing games anymore. We want to face this thing head on, so that even as we move people, we know what happened.
Itena ria kere ria kwamurithia muingi uria wingirite mutito-ini uyu ri gukorwo rikiambiriria ica ikuhi kuria honge iria ikoretwo igitabania mihango eno ciugite matiragwagwa gutigira mutito uyu ni wathaitirwo. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa rakwa ni Nungari wa Kamau.